New severe thunderstorm warning issued for Pennsylvania. Here is the full text of this warning. Attention, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At 5:01 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hermitage, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source radar. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharpsville, Greenville, Mercer, Stoneboro, Sandy Lake, Clark, Fredonia, Jackson Center, New Lebanon, Chicleville, Maurice K. Goddard State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 122 and 137, Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 8. Precautionary preparedness actions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the NWS Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter @NWSPittsburgh. Full stop. End of warning.